Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I have exciting news to share. We have a YouTube hop today and it's all about art journaling, and the special is we have some amazing sponsors. Look at this. There are so many great prizes you can win, and for a chance to be in the draw, just subscribe to every channel that is taking part in the YouTube hop and leave a comment on every video. I will link you up to the next station at the end of this video. I am starting my page by adhering some collage elements to it. I'm using gel medium and I use different paper napkins, old book pages and also some washi tape. In my next step, I'm adding a layer of gesso. Unfortunately, it's not good to see, but I'm sketching the two main flowers that I have on my page. I wanted to give the page a grungy look, so I used the Inktense blocks black and just added around my page and dissolve it with water. I pulled out my Sennelier oil pastels. These are the metallic edition, and I just add some marks to the flowers and also to the rest of the page. These oil pastels are not water soluble, so they will resist any kind of watercolor. I'm coloring in the flowers with Neocolor crayons. These are the water-soluble ones and they are similar to the Dina Wakley scribble sticks. I use a black watercolor pencil to add some shadows, stems and leaves to the page. I cut some leaves from an old tea bag and adhere it to the page with gel medium. I also picked a piece of scrappy deli paper that I had laying around on my desk and added to the page. I wanted to have a lot more contrast, so I used black acrylic paint. I just apply it with my fingers because I think it's a lot easier sometimes instead of using a brush, and it's also a lot of fun. I scratch some journaling into the wet paint. I decided that I want to have more white space, so I go in with some white acrylic paint. I add some art marks with a pencil. I wanted to add some more interest to the background, so I did some stamping. I used stamps from Rubber Dance and Viva Las Vegas stamps. One of my favorite tools are the acrylic fine liners. I used the black and the white one on this page. In my last step, I'm finishing the title of my page. I'm using a sentiment that is from Viva Las Vegas Stamps. It says art is anything you can get away with. I cut the words apart and used the missing ones. Here is the finished page. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you enjoy our video hop. You will find a link to the next station immediately. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Bye!